Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best dust hose is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial components in any workshop, transforming a dusty, health-hazardous environment into a clean, safe, and efficient workspace, ensuring your tools perform optimally and your lungs stay clear, making it an essential investment for hobbyists and professionals alike who value cleanliness and longevity of their equipment. Number 5. USA-made 2-to-1 2x 20-foot clear PVC dust collection hose. This hose features a clear PVC material, allowing you to easily monitor dust, debris, and potential clogs. Its transparency ensures timely detection of any issues, keeping your workspace efficient. Unlike many alternatives, this product is proudly made in the USA using pure PVC. This ensures a superior material and exceptional clarity, making it easier to spot obstructions. Crafted from superior materials, it offers exceptional durability. This hose is significantly more puncture-resistant than imported versions, which often use inferior reground PVC. Embedded steel coils within a single piece of extruded pure PVC provide an extra level of durability. Unlike imported hoses that use a tape-over coil process, this design ensures it holds up much better and for longer. While perfect for dust collection systems and fittings, its versatility extends far beyond. You can use it with shop vacuums, various saws, router tables, and even for pet tunnels. What we like. This hose offers exceptional clarity, allowing you to easily spot clogs and monitor dust flow. Its superior materials ensure it's highly puncture-resistant and built to last. If you're looking for a robust, American-made hose with excellent visibility for heavy-duty workshop use, this is your top pick. What people say. Number 4. POWERTEC 70175 10 feet Dust Collection Hose Kit. Introducing the POWERTEC 70175 Dust Collection Hose Kit. This kit is designed to keep your workspace clean and your tools performing at their best. It connects seamlessly to tools with 1-inch or 1-to-1/2-inch dust ports. Its screw-on adapters and included reducers ensure a perfect fit for various shop vacuums. Its small and flexible design offers greater ease for handheld power tool applications like sanding or planing. Please note, its specialized diameter is optimized for dust collection, not general vacuuming. This comprehensive kit includes a 10-foot shop vacuum hose, 1-1-inch fitting, 2 1-to-1/2-inch fittings, and both 2-to-1/4-inch and 2-to-1/2-inch ABS reducers. Everything you need is right here. It works with most small vacuums, shop dust collection systems, and various power tools like orbital sanders and joiners. The 2-to-1/4-inch adapter is designed to fit most standard shop vac ports. Crafted from premium ABS plastic, this hose adapter ensures exceptional durability. It's built to withstand the rigorous demands of woodworking dust collection systems. What we like. This comprehensive kit comes with multiple fittings, making it incredibly versatile for various power tools. Its small and flexible design is perfect for handheld applications, allowing for greater maneuverability. If you work with a range of small power tools and need a convenient, adaptable dust collection solution, this kit is ideal. What people say. Number 3. Peachtree Woodworking Supply Ultra Flex Clear-Vue Heavy-Duty PVC Hose. Setting up dust collection can be challenging. You need a hose that is durable, flexible, and sturdy enough to handle daily workshop demands without collapsing. This product meets all those requirements and more. It excels in woodworking, handling both large wood chunks and fine sawdust without punctures or leaks. This hose can serve as a primary line or be easily connected to various machinery. Depending on its diameter, it works with dust collectors, shop vacuums, and more. It flexes easily around shop machinery or table legs without kinking, and won't flatten when the collector is on. Its clear design lets you see dust and debris flowing through it. This transparency helps you quickly spot and fix any buildup or blockages, making troubleshooting much simpler than with opaque hoses. While versatile, it's specifically designed for dust collection in workshop environments. It operates effectively in temperatures from -20 degrees Fahrenheit to 165 degrees Fahrenheit and features a carbon steel wire helix for reinforcement and electrostatic discharge when properly grounded. This hose is proudly made in the USA, ensuring high quality. Its super flexible design allows for easy maneuvering around all your shop machinery. What we like. Experience superior flexibility with this heavy-duty hose, designed to weave effortlessly around your workshop machinery without kinking. Its robust construction ensures it won't collapse under suction, maintaining consistent airflow. If you need a durable, highly maneuverable hose that can withstand the rigors of an active woodworking shop, this one delivers. What people say. No positive reviews found in the provided source. The source JSON was empty, so no points could be extracted. Number 2. Cen-Tec Systems 94192 Quick Click 16 feet hose. This 16-foot commercial-grade vacuum hose connects seamlessly to all major home and shop vacuums. It's designed to work with a wide range of power tools, ensuring efficient dust collection. Its highly flexible design and smooth interior prevent clogging, maintaining superior airflow. You can easily adjust the suction control with the built-in swivel air relief feature. The Quick Click system ensures fast and secure connections to various power tools. It includes multiple fittings to accommodate different exhaust ports, providing a smooth, kink-free experience. One soft TPE fitting, measuring 1 inch ID, features 4 concentric rings for a firm grip. Its tapered, rubber-like design ensures a positive, tool-forming fit for various connections. A second bayonet offers a 1.50 inch ID TPE fitting with 3 rings for strong attachment. This soft, flexible fitting adapts to your tool's exhaust port, handling substantial debris flow with ease. The inner collar and acetal clip ring provide a direct fit for tools accepting a quick click collar. This 1.75 inch OD connector snaps securely into place, enhancing compatibility. It's engineered to fit most major power tool brands, including Skill, Bosch, Makita, and DeWalt. This ensures broad compatibility with your existing equipment and work shrouds. What we like. This hose features an innovative quick click system, providing fast and secure connections to a wide array of power tools. It includes multi-brand adapters and a swivel air relief for optimal suction control. If you value quick changes between tools and precise airflow management for your dust collection, this system offers unmatched convenience. What people say. No reviews provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews to generate helpful points. Number 1. Cen-Tec 94709 Quick Click Dust Collection Hose. Introducing your ultimate solution for a cleaner workspace. This hose seamlessly connects your home or shop vacuum to a wide range of power tools, ensuring efficient dust collection. It's designed to keep your work area tidy and safe. Crafted from commercial-grade materials, this 16-foot hose boasts a smooth interior. This design prevents clogging from large debris while maintaining superior airflow for effective dust removal. You can even adjust suction with its built-in air relief feature. Say goodbye to compatibility worries. It comes with an expanded set of adapters, fitting 3/4, 1, 1 to 1/4, and 1.5 internal and external connections. This ensures it works with virtually all major brands of handheld and stationary power tools. The innovative quick click system makes attaching it to your tools incredibly fast and secure. Its 360-degree swivel connection prevents kinking, allowing for unrestricted movement as you work. Changing fittings takes mere seconds. This versatile hose is engineered to fit all major brands of home shop vacuums. Whether you have a shop vac, Rigid, Craftsman, or many others, its tank end ensures a secure 2.5 inch connection. It's truly a universal fit for your cleaning needs. This is an expanded version of a popular model, now including even more power tool adapters. It also features an inner collar and durable acetal clip ring for direct, secure connections to compatible tools. This ensures a snug fit for optimal performance. What we like. This expanded version takes versatility to the next level with an even broader range of adapters, fitting nearly any power tool or shop vacuum. Its quick click system ensures seamless transitions and secure connections across all your equipment. If you own a diverse collection of tools and vacuums and demand maximum compatibility and ease of use, this comprehensive set is the ultimate choice. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews to get helpful points for buying a dust hose. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.